Hey guys, so the first exercise, what you're going to do is a barbell squat. You're going to load the barbell and go all the way down, okay, and push up really fast, come down, come fast, okay, come up fast, okay, go down slow and come up really fast. That's the first exercise which you're going to do for your leg, all right? So it's going to be a little different every time they work this out, all right? Watch it. So a lot of them who use the barbell completely do it slightly wrong. So completely, slightly wrong. That's a statement. All right, this is an Olympic bar which has a lot of knurling on it with marking every interval. So once you place it on the rack, so stand in front of it, that's behind it. So run your fingers through any of those fingers. So both the fingers, I'm using the middle finger, you can choose any of the finger. So run through the knurling. One of the knurling you choose both sides equally. Then stand and pull so that you come in the center, not like this. Don't tilt yourself. Come right in center. Adjust your feet in such a way that you're right in the center. Then go down and come under it. So your elbow is placed under it. Your wrist is straight, okay, not like this and tilted. The wrist is straight always. Then, once you're under it, lift. Don't place it on your shoulder. Lift with your hand. Come forward. Then, go down all the way. Place your feet, where your knees are going to travel, right? You're not placing this on your trapezes or your shoulders. You're holding the bar. And your wrist is not like this, it's neutral. And your elbows are right under the bar. Then go down all the way, slow. See where your feet and where your knee is traveling. Adjust it accordingly. Then go down and come up. Okay? Keep your chest up and take your butt all the way down. So that's what you need to do for the squat. So even if it's loaded, if you're not able to go down, take the load which you think you can do and do that. Don't try to do an ego lifting, it doesn't work. So work what you can do. In this exercise, you're going to go down slow and come up fast. So same procedures again, come up, down. So you're going to hold it, then go down slow, okay, come up. So my feet wasn't right if you've seen that. Okay, so go down slow, come up fast. So that's what you're going to do, right? Do that.